Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, we are going to learn the 8 traits that you must have in order to succeed. And stick around to the end of the video because we're going to talk about the one trait that ties them all together. Without this one trait, it all falls apart. Richard St. John spent 7 years of his life interviewing over 500 of the most successful business owners in the world. Through the course of conducting those interviews, he found that those 500 plus successful business owners consistently identified a similar list of traits that were needed for financial and personal success. These are the 8 secret words to success as identified by Richard St. John. Number 1, passion. Pick a service or product that you are passionate about and go after it. If you do it for love, the money comes anyway. Number 2, work. You must work hard. But luckily, if you love it, then the work is also a lot of fun. Number 3, good. Choose your passion and get damn good at it. Practice and work until you're undeniably the best at what you do and your product or service is irrepressibly compelling. Number 4, focus. Winners focus on their one goal. Number 5, push. You have got to push yourself physically and mentally beyond what you have done before. You will have to push past your own self-doubt and your own shyness. If you want something that you have never had before, then you must be willing to do something that you've never done before. Number 6, serve. You're going to be paid only for the service that you provide. You cannot be in business to serve yourself. You have to provide something of value to others. Elon Musk said that you are paid in direct proportion to the size of the problems that you solve for others. Number 7, ideas. Listen, be curious, and solve problems for others. And finally, number 8, persist. This is the trait that brings the entire equation together. The top preventer of success is the lack of persistence. People allow small failures or big self-doubt to prevent them from persisting. To succeed, you will have to persist through all of the crap. C-R-A-P. Criticism, rejection, holes, and pressure. Remember the 8 secret words to success. Those are the 8 words you absolutely must remember if you seek to succeed in business, entrepreneurship, and in life. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and I invite you to browse the channel to learn more about how to leverage the traits for success to build your own business and start your journey to financial, business, and personal accomplishment and triumph.